Learner buddies. I came up with a new topic, a brand new topic that is global warming, which is not only interesting yet very crucial to discuss about it. Because here we are not talking about myself to yourself, we are talking about the whole world. That how the global warming is important and how we have to change that scenario. First of all, in this whole topic, we are going to discuss various points like what is global warming, how it impacts in our daily life, what are the causes of the global warming, how we have to reduce it, and many more. So, buckle up your seats and be present mentally and physically with me at the end of the topic, obviously, because at the very end of the topic, you have to give me one promise. And you have to do that not for yourself, not for me, but the whole world. So, without delay, let's dive into the topic. One by one, we are going to discuss each and every aspect of the global warming. First of all, the thing is, what is global warming? Global warming is actually a gradual and sustained process, like a slowly happened process, which actually at the end of the thing increase the average surface temperature of the earth. Here, nothing else but the temperature of the earth is gradually increases. Gradually means slowly. It is not showing in our on a daily basis or hourly basis. It is just gradually increasing the temperature of the earth, which is very harmful for all of us. Now we have to discuss that what are the triggers of global warming. Global warming actually caused by the increase in concentration of greenhouse gases. What are these? Like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and a lot more gases by the carbon emission. And these gases actually trapped into the surface of the earth. They deplete the ozone layer and cause many other devastating effects. So the global warming is caused by different causes, including first is burning fossil fuels. We know that, you also know that thing. Fossil fuels burning is one of the most important thing to remember. Like global warming is caused by the increase in the concentration of the greenhouse gases in earth atmosphere, and here the burning fossil fuels by the factories, by the automobiles, and by the chimneys, and by other activities doing by the human being, that is actually increase the concentration of greenhouse effects gases, and afterwards it only and only increase the concentration of carbon monoxide and other harmful gases in the earth atmosphere, and then which definitely at the end of the system it increase the temperature of the earth. So other point that is caused the main cause of the global warming is deforestation. Now what is deforestation? Deforestation is actually the cutting of forest to the use of this land by increasing the factory, by increasing the industries, by increasing the hometowns, by increasing everything that we need to survive. So deforestation is for the humankind, but actually deforestation cause devastating effect on the humankind. So if we are cutting forest day by day, and the already we know that carbon dioxide is only absorbed by the trees, only absorbed by the forest. So if we cutting that carbon dioxide implanted trees, then obviously carbon dioxide is going to be increased, because the trees that are going to be absorb the carbon dioxide is actually not present now on the earth. That's the main reason that why the carbon dioxide concentration is actually increases day by day, because we actually cut the forest which are very useful to do the, actually they restrict the global warming causes. So this is the main reason that why the global warming is happening widespread. Now if we are going to discuss about the other points, that are what are the environmental impacts. Okay, we already know that what are the global warming definition and what are the causes of the global warming. Now the main point is if the global warming is that much impactful, what are the main impacts of that global warming? There are lots of impacts of the global warming, like a very devastated one. First is natural disasters. Already we know that natural disasters like earthquakes and floods and overflow of the water, these all are natural disasters like floods, drought, storms. This is the most dangerous one. If I talk about the extreme climate change, it is also the impact of the global warming. Climate change, definitely we are going to discuss in our upcoming class, so stay tuned. Now, what is the extreme climate change impacts like heat waves? Literally 50 degrees Celsius, 60 degrees Celsius temperature and rising the sea levels in the Japan and Indonesia and other kind of area which is surrounded by the water. So these are the impacts, very harmful effect. So these impacts are none other caused by only global warming. So now, what are the social and economical impacts that we already know that these effects are we studied. These are the impacts of the environmental processes, but there are also some impacts that actually impact the social and economic life. How so? Economic losses, obviously, if there is like lots of tragedies, calamities, then impact on the agriculture would be there, tourism would be affected, and other sectors like money making sectors are definitely going to affect. If I talk about the social, it is affecting the public health. Obviously, there are lots of threatening like skin diseases, eye diseases, and lots of heart attack and brain strokes. Lots of diseases are actually caused by the increase in the temperature and change in the climate. So you can now understand that why this is so important to understand the topic of global warming and why it is important to stop that thing. Now, first of all, we have to discuss that thing. What are the efforts to address the global warming? Actually, there are World Health Organization which actually works for the human being, for the benefits of the human beings, and there are lots of agreements. Agreements are what? Agreements are like of a you agree with your friend and you sign a paper like in a friendship manner, then it is a friendship agreement. In the same manner, there is agreement on the world level as well. So the international agreement, the Paris Agreement, its objective are also concerned to the global warming, and others are like roles of government and corporations. Like obviously, Indian corporations and government are also prone to the global warming effects, and it is the main thing that we are focusing on a carbon emission, obviously decreasing the carbonation by 2030. So these kind of private and government initiatives are also very helpful to address the global warming, and we have to be fully supported these kind of activities. Now, if I talk about not on a government level, not on a sector level, we have to discuss the individual actions, that how we can use that things, how we can decrease the global warming by own us. Like there are lots of things. First of all, there is a reducing carbon footprints, like saving energy. Whenever you came from somewhere and whenever you are just left from your home, that just check that there is nothing like electricity bulbs or fans are on, and sustainable transportation including the government transportation or the public transportation, and most important recycling one, which is very important. These are the individual actions that anybody can do in this world to just be appointed in that particular help for the global warming reduction. Other thing is education and awareness. What we are doing now, we are doing also the educational purpose videos. We are also just I am also giving you the awareness over the global warming, so this is also a very good thing to aware all the peoples. That is very important, and education is the most powerful weapon that we can discuss over the things. Now, let's make the world a better place, because actually there is you and only you who is a youth and who is the upcoming future of the earth, only you can do that impact on the life on the earth. Because one thing that you have to remember, that there is only one earth and we don't have plan B to reside. So, if you really want to be happy in the future, then you have to do lots of things in your life. First of all, save energy, use public transport. Whenever you are in a traffic, make sure that your car engine is off. And whenever you are just getting out from your home, make sure that every switch are off. And whenever you have a chance, plantation of the different kind of plants are very, very important. Okay, now come to the very important thing and the wrap up of the session. Just come to the one point. You have to give me the one promise. And what is that promise? You have to make this world a better place by doing the individual things. Like already I mentioned that thing, including one thing. On every birthday of you have to actually plant any kind of plant, like a money plant or a snake plant or any other plant. You have to promise me that thing. You have to do that at your every birthday. This is the gift of you to you only. And this is also very important for the world. If you actually afforestation kind of a thing in the world, then it would be very helpful, that actually going to reduce the global warming one day. Because forest and only forest can help you and can help this upcoming future and our beautiful, livable, cherishing earth. Because our earth also need to breathe the same way that you are breathing a fresh air. Our earth has to be lived with that breathing manner. So only forest, only plants, only these kind of activity which spread the greenery in the world, that actually helps you help this earth to just recover from the global warming threat. Because it is a threat, not for me, not for you, it is threat for everyone. So you have to make me a promise that you are going to actually produce and generate that kind of activities where you plant some various plants. So you have to do that things. And that's all for today's class, and it is really a very important and crucial topic, so you don't have to skip that thing. Read that whole topic just with me. I'll come up with a very new brandler topic in the next video. Stay tuned with that thing. Happy learning and happy education, that is all. Be aware of everything and stay tuned. That's all. Great, bye.